Students, 6th standard Unit 2 History Human Revolution அந்த யூனிட்ல இப்போ நம்ம book back exercises and answer the followings பார்க்கலாம். First one, choose the correct answer. The process of evolution is direct, indirect, gradual, fast. Answer is gradual. Second one, Tanzania is situated in the continent of Asia, Africa, America, Europe. Answer is Africa. Second Roman letter, match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. பார்க்கலாம். Statement, migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of physics and color. Reason is climatic changes. A, statement is correct. B, reason is wrong. Third one, statement and reason is correct. Fourth one is statement and reason is wrong. Answer is C. Statement and reason is correct. Third one, find out the wrong pair. A, Australopithecus walked on both legs. Second one, Homo habilis, upright man. Homo erectus, wise man. Homo sapiens, less protruding face. Answer is Australopithecus walked on both legs. Fill in the blanks. Anthropologists unearthed the footprints of humans in Tanzania. Answer is the dash level. Second one is millions of years ago our ancestors led a nomadic life. The main occupations of the ancient humans were hunting and food gathering. Fourth one is the invention of fluff made farming easier. Rock paintings are found at Porivarai Cave, Karikayur in Nilgiris. Next, state true or false. Anthropology is the study of coins. False. Homo erectus, Java man, had the knowledge of fire. True. The first scientific invention of humans was wheel. True. Goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. False. Answer in one word பார்க்கலாம். What method is used to find the age of the excavated materials? Answer, radiocarbon dating. Second one is, what did early humans wear? Leaves, skins of animals and bark of trees. Where did early humans live? Answer, caves. Fourth one, which animal was used for ploughing? Answer, oxen. When did humans settle in one place? After learning agriculture. Answer the following பார்க்கலாம். First one, what is evolution? Human evolution means the process through which the humankind changes and develops towards an advanced stage of life. Second one, write any two characteristics of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens had the ability to hunting and food gathering. They could use crude stone implements. Third one, why did humans move from one place to another? Our ancestors lived in groups in a cave, but they kept on moving in search of food. Fourth one is, describe the ancient method of hunting. Hunting was the main occupation of the past. It was difficult for humans to kill a big animal with a stick or a stone. So they decided to use sharpened weapons. Fifth one is, why were axes made? The axes were made to cut trees, remove barks, dig pits, hunt animals and remove the skin of animals. How would you define archaeology? Archaeology is the study of prehistoric humans and the materials used by them. What do you know about anthropology? Anthropology is the study of humans and their evolutionary history. Now, hearts. Importance of invention of wheel from the ancient period to the modern period. The first scientific invention of the human was wheel. This made the humans to speed up his life in every field. In the early days, the invention of wheel made part making easier. After the Renaissance in Europe, there came a number of scientific inventions. Those inventions facilitated the human life so faster. Many changes started taking place in weaving, printing and mainly in transport. In the field of transport, all those modern vehicles came into existence. Roadways, railways, waterways and airways started expanding vigorously. All these developments made the world shrink and the world become a global village. Answer grid. The invention of dash made pot making easier. Wheel. Barter system means exchange of goods. Name any two weapons used by early human for hunting. Axe, dagger. Which is the best stone for making weapons? Chikimuki or flint stones. Towns and cities emerged because of trade and commerce. Which was the first scientific invention of humans? Wheel. Identify the pictures in rock paintings. Hunting scene. Which was the main occupation of early humans? Hunting. What do cave paintings tell us? Daily events. Where did the early humans live? Caves. Dash is related to the field of archaeology, anthropology. Name any two animals domesticated by early human. Dog and oxen.